You need to find out about that brother then, because he's up to something.
Alright, whisper, but we can move from here to so? Because I tell you, the mosquito might bite me. You not tell fancy, no?
So Patsy, why never tell me say you and Mr. Water Commission there, you know?
I've never done no public service announcement, sir.
Stop going so man. We never say for announce it, but I'm here help you with the link.
Well, like I know, some things I did not do.
And everything Tony never tell me, no Patsy.
Well, now you know.
Me can't believe it. Patsy in a relationship.
Well, I don't believe Mr. Kareem, sir.
Well, him and you, it kinda me no really.
What? Because what? Him tall, me short. Him a human, me a alien. Him a ras, me a bald head. Help me for understand what is it? Wanna make sense?
No, Patsy, it's good, it's good. Don't perfect.
Charlie, what going?
Speaking of perfect, hello, Mr. Water Commissioner Stan.
Yo, what going, Karen?
What about Patsy? Oh, I'm sister, your hand them full.
Yeah, man.
Excuse the pass it up, please. Hi, babe.
Hey, them in love you?
Yep, they're really in love. So we not in love too?
Yeah, we're not in love.
I have to say thanks for the destiny here. She look really nice.
What's that, Elise? I don't say as a good stepmother. You know, what thing.
I appreciate it so much.
You're welcome,
You don't
baby.
even know what you do for me.
You can tell me though.
So, babe, what do you think we should do to me?
Babes, it no matter. Any style, you still look beautiful.
We still have to do it.
So, when you do like the last time, when you came right go back?
No, babe, I'm not going to worry about that same hairstyle. You know me as a woman, I love change up my thing.
Thanks.
You save me $3,000.
One wait. Only that?
No? What eat more?
Well, I like how you love change up the thing because the house I change up the thing.
You know, say road? Your mind not for good.
Saying I noticed something.
Apart from your beauty and your nice hair color, what's something else? Oh, you take off your braces.
Yes. So you know what is going on?
No, you just have to tell me.
Well, I can't show you.
What you talking about? With you? Oh, mine must go this one.
I hear me and talk about babe, but not talk about that. So what you gonna do with your when you know mama go meet you really a bit that afro?
Yeah, I rich I'm going, you know. 80s and 90s, after me I beat it.
Alright, babe, you look handsome with it. It fits you.
Thanks.
That's a work assignment.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
So, want to this work assignment?
This is always my assignment. Alright?
What time the baby come here?
Just let me check this one. I'll be right back. Alright, so ready to go?
Babe, what is going on?
You can ask for that.
Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday vibe. Why you hit your